Hello students, welcome to Academy, the place for mathematics and science. Dear students, in today's class we are going to continue the chapter linear equations in two variables. And remember, this is second period of this chapter. And before going to this chapter, dear students, you all know that yesterday we conducted the monthly test 2, both on mathematics and science, right? Now let me show you the question papers, and those who have not got, please take the screenshot and use them for practicing. This is maths question paper. It was conducted for 25 marks. Total 14 questions are there, and these are to be divided to section A, B and C. And this is of first page. Please go through this. Next, it is second page. All questions are very important in the examination point of view. Next, this is science question paper. It was conducted for 25 marks. Even it also consists of 14 questions, and which are to be divided to A, B and C. This is first page. Please go through that. Next, here also we have implemented important questions. Please go through them. This is second page. Yes. Now let's go for continuing this chapter. In first period, we have come to know the definition of linear equations in two variables, right? What is that? It is an equation of degree 1 with the two variables is called linear equation in two variables. Then what is its general form? You are right, it is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where x and y are variables. A, B and C are coefficients, and these coefficients may be any real numbers. Is it not? Then after that, we learned how to write the given equations in standard form. Not only this, even we have indicated the values of A, B and C. Then after this, we have learned how to find out solution for linear equation in two variables. Could you tell how many solutions does it have? It has infinitely many solutions. And if you go for giving the value for x, then you will get value of y. Any number of values can be found out. Hence we say that linear equations in two variables have infinitely many solutions. But in the examination point of view, they will ask you to find out any 2 or 4 or 6 solutions. Got it? Not only this, even we checked whether the given numbers are the solutions of the given equation. Next, one more point, that is finding the value of k when the solution of the given equation is given. Right? Yes. In today's class, we are going to learn how to draw the graph of linear equation in two variables. Yes, please get ready with a graph book. Dear students, now let us learn how to draw the graph of linear equations in two variables. Before going to draw, first let us learn how to solve y from the linear equations. So here I am going to write a question. Just observe it. Express the following linear equations in terms of x. For example, first one, it is x plus y is equal to 10. From this you have to solve y. You have to express this equation in terms of x. That is, y is equal to 10 transform x. That's all. Is it not simple? Similarly, second, suppose 2x plus y is equal to 15. Then how do you solve y? This is also very simple. Y is equal to 15. Transfer 2x to the right hand side. Becomes minus 2x. Next, third one, it is 2x minus 3y is equal to 15. How do you write? This is very simple. 2x transfer 15 to the left hand side is equal to 3y, because minus 3y has been transferred to right hand side. But we want y. Y is equal to 2x minus 15 divided by 3. One more. Fourth one, it is minus 3x plus 10y equal to 30. How do you write? This is 10y. Keep that as it is. Then on the right hand side 30 is there. Transfer minus 3x to the right hand side. Becomes plus 3x. We want y. Y is equal to 30 plus 3x by 10. Clear? 1. It is x minus 2y is equal to 20. How do you write? Then we want y. So transfer minus 2y to the right hand side and 20 to the left hand side. 20 becomes minus 20. Minus 2y becomes plus 2y. Then solve y. Y is equal to x minus 20 divided by 2. Got it? Yes. Now we are going to draw the graph of linear equation. To draw the graph, we need to locate the points, right? To locate the points, first we have to find out the coordinate points of the given equation. Now let me tell you how to do that. First, you just go for copying from there to here. Yes. Now we are going to take the first one. It is draw the graph of x plus y equal to 7. As I told you, first we have to find out the coordinate points of this equation. Here, x plus y equal to 7 is the given equation. Next, after that, solve y. Y is equal to 7. Transfer x to the right hand side. Y equal to 7 minus x. Clear? Now we will move on to calculation table. That means where we are going to find out the coordinate points. See, here I am going to make 3 columns. Please observe, don't copy anything. First column is for x and second column is for y, that is y equal to 7 minus x. This is the given equation. And third one, it is for the coordinate points, ordered pair, that is x comma y. You have to use scale and pencil to draw the table. Now, how to find out the coordinate points? To find out that, you should choose the values for x. It may be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Even you can go for taking negative numbers, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3 and so on. In general, integers should be taken. Here first I will write 0. When x is 0, y equal to 7 minus 0. What is 7 minus 0? This is 7 only. So it is 0 comma 7. When x is 1, then y equal to 7. Write 1 in place of x. 7 minus 1 is 6. This is 1 comma 6. When x is minus 1, 2, minus 2, however you want, I will take 2. Y is equal to 7 minus 2. What is 7 minus 2? This is 5. It is 2 comma 5. If you want, even you can go for taking negative numbers. Minus 2. It is y is equal to 7 minus of minus 2. 7, 7. Minus, minus. In place of x, we have written minus 2. What is minus into minus? Plus. Plus 2. 2 plus 7, 9. It will be minus 2 plus 9. Clear? Here, we have got the coordinate points. You can go for naming these coordinate points. I go for naming them as A, B, C and D. Next, you have to use the graph sheet, nothing but Cartesian plane. Then you will draw 2 axes. One is the horizontal line called x-axis and is denoted as x, O, x dash. And the vertical line is called y-axis, is denoted as y, O, y dash. The right side of 0 are positive. You can go for numbering them like this. They are axes, they are nothing but the number lines. They are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. On the left hand side, they are negative. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Above 0 are positive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Below 0 are negative. -1, -2, -3, -4 and -5. Got it? Now let us go for marking the points. These points. A, 0, 7. And please do remember, in your graph sheet, there will be unit distance. One box will be there. Each box indicate 1 unit, nothing but 1 centimeter. First, point A. What is point A? It is 0, 7. When x is 0, y will be 7. We have already learnt how to locate that. 0, 7. Y is 7. Here. This is. I call this point as A. Next, when point B is 1, 6. When x is 1 plus 1, y is plus 6. See that? That is here. You may call this point as B. Next, C. It is 2, 5. When x is plus 2, y is plus 5. That comes here. Call this point as C. Likewise, actually to draw the line, we need only 2 points. We have found out 4 points. Just 3 points are enough to draw the line. Let us go for joining them. See, like this. Now this is the graph of the equation. What is that? X plus y is equal to 7. After this, you have to write the scale at the top of right column. What is that? In both x and y axis, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Followed? Even you can extend this line to cut the x-axis as well. I'll go for taking some more example. Please go for copying this. First, in graph book only, on the right hand side, you have to write this one, and on the left hand side there will be Cartesian plane. You have to copy this. Go for this. Let's move on to second one. This time you can go on writing with me because we have already learned the first one. You copy this. Copy this question by pausing the video. Now, start writing with me. See that. Here, we are going to draw the graph of the equation 3 equal to 2x plus y. We want y. Just interchange LHS and RHS. Write with me. It is 2x plus y is equal to 3. On interchanging all LHS and RHS, there will be no change in the sign. Let us solve y. Y is equal to 3. Transfer 2x to the right hand side becomes minus 2x. Clear? Yes. This is the equation, and using that we have to find out the coordinate points. Yes. Take scale and pencil and start drawing with me. First, I'll draw our first column for x and second column for the equation y is equal to 3 minus 2x. Then leave little bit more gap for calculation, and the third column, it is for coordinate points, that is x comma y. Clear? Yes. And complete this table. Again you have to use scale and pencil, and this is calculation table. Now take the values for x. If x is 0, y is equal to 3 minus 2 into 0. It's equal to, what is 2 into 0? 0. 3 minus 0? 3. Now coordinate point is 0, 3. When x is 0, y will be 3. Now take scale and pencil Again, draw the line. I have already told you 2 points are enough. If you want, you can go for finding some more. Then when x is 1, start writing with me. Y is equal to 3 minus 2 into, in place of x, we should write 1. Then 3 minus 2 ones are 2. 3 minus 2, it is 1. It is 1 comma 1. Clear? Again, take scale and pencil and draw the line. Similarly, you find out y value when x is 2. Then y is equal to 3 minus 2 into 2. In place of x, we have taken 2. It's equal to 3 minus 2 2s are 4. Now you tell, what is 3 minus 4? Yes, you are right. This is minus 1. Now when x is 2, y is minus 1. You can go for drawing the line with scale and pencil. Yes, finished up. Now, when x is 3, y is equal to 3 minus 2 into 3. It's equal to 3 minus, what is 2 3s are? 6. 3 minus 6, minus 3. When x is 3, y is minus 3. So 4 points are enough. And take scale and pencil, draw the line. Now you can go for giving the names for these coordinate points. Yes, what will give? Again, A, B, C, D, or P, Q, R, S. This time I'll take, this is P, this is Q, this is R, and this S. Now, hope that you have completed the table. After that, take a graph sheet, Cartesian plane, and draw x and y axis. Very simple. Here in x, positive maximum 3. So here 3. In y axis, positive maximum 3, negative maximum 3. In y axis, positive 3, negative 3. So this will be more than enough. Have you drawn this? Okay. Now please start marking with me. First point, P, 0, 3. Just by observing the coordinate point, you can tell that where does this point lie? Whether it is on x-axis or y-axis. Obviously it is y-axis. 0, 3. When x is 0, y is plus 3. You may call this point as P. Next. 1, 1. When x is 1, y is 1. Here. It is Q. Over. Next. 2, minus 1. When x is 2, y is minus 1. That comes here. It is R. Have you marked? Then third one, 3, minus 3. When x is 3, y is minus 3. See, this is the point. It is yes. So, in the graph sheet, there will be intersecting lines. It will be easy to mark or locate these points. Hope that you have marked P, Q, R and S. Now, we go for joining all these points. Take scale and pencil and go for joining them. Yes. You will get the graph like this. What is the nature of the graph? You are right. It is a straight line. Please do remember, in the examination, chance of asking the question, what is the nature of graph of linear equation in two variables? You will have to write, it is a straight line. So, what is the equation? 3 equal to 2x plus 1. 3 equal to 2x plus 1. Over. Next, you should write the scale. Right here. Scale on the top of right corner. In x and y axis, 1 centimeter is equal to 1. Clear? Next, is there any other possibility of asking question? Certainly. Then you all may be thinking that what is that? Observe. The question will be given in this way. Draw the graph of 3 equal to 2x plus y. Then find the area of the geometrical figure or nothing but the triangle formed by the line with the x and y axis. See that? Here this line has intersected both x axis and y axis, and the region bounded by this it is. You will go for finding the area. What is the area of the triangle? It is half into base into height. See, this is half into, this is base 1.5, height 3. 1.5 into 3 is 4.5. Half of 4.5, it is 2.25 square meters. That is the area. In this way also the question can be asked. So please do remember. Now once you check that whether you have done it correctly or not. If not, write from the beginning from there to here. Please go through third one. It's important one. I'll tell you why it is. And pausing the video, you can copy this. That is, draw the graph of the equation x minus y equal to 2. Do one thing. The very first step, we will go for solving y. Right? Yes. Pause the video and go for solving y. I hope that you have solved y. Now you check that. I am going to write the given equation x minus y equal to 2. Then we want y. Y is equal to 2 minus x. Another one. X minus y equal to 2. Then minus y equal to 2 minus x. Then y equal to x minus 2. See that some of you might have got y as like this, y equal to 2 minus x or y equal to x minus 2. Which one is correct? Either first one or second one? It is second one. See, I told you this is important because I have observed in so many years, as I come across so number of students, the common mistakes to be done by maximum number of students is this is. They have to solve y, they'll just write y and they'll transfer x to the right hand side. That's all. They won't consider this minus sign. Yes. Now, I'll rewrite. Please, once you observe the calculation. It is, the given equation is x minus y equal to 2. As we are going to solve y, if it is negative, just transfer that to right hand side. It is x transfer 2 to the left hand side, minus 2 and minus y to the right hand side, plus y. This can also be written as x equal to, y equal to x minus 2. Got it? Now let's move on to calculation table. It is, here we have to prepare the table, hence we will go for drawing the lines. And we all know that the first column, it is for x. Second column for equation which has been written in terms of x, that is y equal to x minus 2. And leave just gap for calculation. Then third column, it is for coordinates, to write the coordinate points. Nothing but ordered pair over. Yes. Again take scale and pencil and draw the horizontal lines as well. Hope that you have finished. Now let us go for finding the coordinate points. Take substitution for x. Please write with me. What is x? 0. Then y is equal to 0 minus 2. What is 0 minus 2? Minus 2. When x is 0, y is minus 2. Have got same? Yes. Take scale and pencil. Draw a line. Next, go for taking another one value. It is 1. Y is equal to, this is 1 minus 2. This is equal to minus 1. When x is 1, y is minus 1. Now take scale and pencil, draw the line. Next, let me take 2. Y is equal to, in place of x, 2 minus 2. What is 2 minus 2? 0. When x is 2, y is 0. If you want, go for one more. Take 3 and calculate yourself. Observe. 3. Y is equal to 3 minus 2. What is 3 minus 2? This is 1. When x is 3, y is 1. These are the 4 coordinate points. Take scale and pencil and draw and complete the table. Next, after this, please go for naming. This time, again I'll take first point as A, second one as B, third one as C, and fourth one as D. Have you? Yes. If so, then pausing the video, please go for drawing the number lines perpendicular to each other. The horizontal number line, it is x-axis. The vertical number line, it is y-axis. Have you drawn? Okay. Now let us go for marking these 4 points. First, A. Please mark with me. A is 0, minus 2. When x is 0, y is minus 2. See, this is y-axis. Minus 2 is here. I call this as A. Second point, 1, minus 1. When x is plus 1, y is minus 1. X is plus 1, y is minus 1. See that point comes here. It is B. Next, when x is 2, y is 0. X is 2, y obviously 0. That the point lies on x-axis. It is point C. 3, 1. When x is 3, y is 1. X is 3, y is 1. Observe. Here, you can come to know that this is the point. You may call this point as D. Now let us go for joining these points A, B, C and D. Here, A, B, C and D. Take scale and pencil and draw the line like this. Hope that you have done. Next, show the arrow marks on either side. And we all know that this is the graph of the equation x minus y equal to 2. X minus y, this is equal to 2. What is the nature of the graph? Yes, it is a straight line. Then shall we go for finding the area bounded by the graph of the equation with x and y axis? Yes, how do you? I'll go for including this. Also, find the area bounded by the graph with the axis, that is both x and y axis. Here I'll find out the area. Area is equal to, what is the region bounded by, or the geometrical figure bounded by the graph of the given equation with the x and y axis? It is triangle, right? It is area, it is nothing but area of triangle. Area of triangle is half into base into height. What is base? Observe this. This is the base. How many units? Here 1 unit and 1 unit. Total 2 units. 2. And height. How many are there? 1 unit and 1 unit. 2. 2 and 2 get cancelled. It is 2. What is the standard unit of area? It is square units. So area is equal to 2 square units. Clear? Then without fail you have to write the scale at the top of the right corner. So in both x and y axis, 1 centimeter is to be taken as 1 unit. Hope that you might have completed with me. If not, write it neatly. Now let's move on to fourth one. The question is like this. Draw the graph of y is equal to 4x. Okay, dear students, so far we have drawn the graph of the equations which are in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. In that we solved y, right? In general, y equal to mx plus c. And what was the nature of this graph? Straight line. Why? Because it is a linear equation, right? Now you just observe this one. Y equal to 4x. So there is no separate constant term. Just 4 into constant into x. Now let us come to know the nature of graph of the equation and also whether it intersects the x and y axis or not. If it is in the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0, then it will intersect x and y axis. But this is, for that we need to draw the graph, and please go for writing the question. Now you have copied this. Now please go on writing it. So first we will write the given equation y equal to 4x. Is it necessary to solve y? No, because they only are given. Hence we can go for the calculation table directly. Here, calculation table. Here I will draw. The first column, it is for x. Second column for equation. Third column for coordinate points. Yes, you should also draw the table by using scale and pencil. Now I am going to filling it up. Have you drawn? Yes. What is first column? X. Second column, given equation y equal to 4x. Third column, coordinate points x comma y. When x is 0, what will be y? Y equal to 4 into 0. 4 into 0 is 0. It is 0 comma 0. Have written the same? Yes. Take scale and pencil and draw the line. Next, when x is 1, y is equal to 4 into 1. 4 into 1 is 4. It is 1 comma 4. Got it? Yes. Again, take scale and pencil and draw the line. Next, when x is 2, y is equal to 4 into 2. 4 2s are, it is 8. 2 comma 8. Let us draw the line with the scale and pencil. Next, when x is 3, let's calculate y equal to 4 into 3. 4 3s are 12. It is 3 comma 12. And one more important thing you can notice that in all the coordinate points we have positive values only. Hence, could you tell the quadrant in which they belong? All they belong to first quadrant only, because sign is positive positive. It is A, this is B, third coordinate point C, and fourth one is D. Now let us go for marking this. Observe, the highest number in x is 3, highest number in y is 12. So I'll go for taking maximum 8 only. This is 8. Now look at it. Let us go for marking them. First point A. What is that? 0 comma 0. That comes here. This is A. Next, 1 comma 4. When x is 1, y is 4. See, that point comes here. It is B. 2 comma 8. When x is 2, y is, this is 8. Call this point as C. Now let us go for joining these points and observe whether it intersects x and y axis. This is going to see B and A. Yes, what do you say? Does it intersect x and y axis? No. Then it will pass through the origin, that is point where the x and y axis intersect. Got it? And this is the graph of the equation y equal to 4x. And another important point to be noted is this line, the graph of the given equation, passes through first quadrant, origin and third quadrant. See, first, second, third, fourth. It lies in first and third, but passes through origin. What is the condition? Y should be equal to constant into x. Clear? But in previous graphs, we came to know that they were in the form of y equal to mx plus c or ax plus by plus c equal to 0. If it is in that form, the graph will intersect x and y axis. If it is in the form of y equal to constant into x, it passes through the origin. And the quadrant depends on the constant. There it is positive, hence first and third. Afterwards we shall go for taking one more, negative one. Here I'll write scale x and y axis. It is 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Followed? Hope that you might have drawn with me. If not, you just go for drawing it. Dear students, and I will give you fifth one as homework. That is, draw the graph of y is equal to 2x. You can do this one. Then after that, you should go through sixth one. Observe it. See, this time what I have done? Draw the graph of y equal to minus 4x. In previous one, it was plus 4x and it has passed through origin through the quadrants first and third. Now, here let us check. The table will be same. Observe it. So, y equal to minus 4x. Y equal to minus 4x. When x is 0, y equal to minus 4 into 0, it is 0. 0 comma 0. When x is 1, it is minus 4 into 1, this is minus 4. It is 1 comma minus 4. Clear? Next, y equal to minus 4 into 2, it is equal to minus 8. This is 1 comma minus, 2 comma minus 8. Even you can go for taking 1 also, minus 1 also. See, if you take minus 1, minus 4 into minus 1, it is plus 4. So, minus 1 comma plus 4. Clear? So, let us go for calling these coordinate points as A, B, C and D only. Now, you go for pausing the video, then you copy up to here. Then after that, use the graph sheet, then go for drawing x and y axis. Hope that you have drawn the graph. Here, in x axis, maximum 2 and minus 1. Here, y axis, maximum 4 and minus 8. So, I have drawn the x and y axis. This is x axis, x0, x dash, and write the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Above 0 are positive. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Below 0 are negative. It is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9. Now, let us go for marking them. First point, A. What is that? It is 0, comma 0. See that 0, comma 0. That comes here. Next, B. It is 1, comma minus 4. When x is 1, y is minus 4. X is 1, y is minus 4. The point comes here. It is A and this is B. Next, 2, comma minus 8. When x is 2, y is minus 8. That 8 is here. C. And D is minus 1 plus 4. When x is minus 1, y is plus 4. That comes here. It is D. Let us go for joining these points. Observe. First, let me join A, B and C. A, B and C. And extend it. Then A to D. And go for extending this also. And line should be thin, do remember. Now, this is the graph of the equation y equal to minus 4x. See, scale is same. That is x and y axis. What is that? 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. Another point. Just go for answering my question. First step, what is the nature of this graph? It is straight line, right? Where it has passed through. Even this has also passed through origin. Why? Because it is in the form of y equal to constant into x, right? But could you name the quadrants through which the graph has passed? Second quadrant, fourth quadrant. Did you understand? Very simple. Second and fourth. The reason is constant t is negative. When constant is negative, graph will pass through second and fourth. When constant is positive, graph will pass through first and third. Clear? Yes. Please go for writing. Then after that, I'll give you one example for homework. This is 7th one. Here I'll give like this. Draw the graph of y equal to minus 3x. Okay? Yes. Please go for this. After that, go for drawing. Dear students, again observe this one. 8th one. We have put star mark. I think 7th one you might have finished of it. Then go through 8th one. Draw the graph of y equal to 4. Dear students, we have learned how to draw the graph of the linear equations for two variables. But here is one variable. Then how do you go for drawing? To draw the graph, we need to find out the coordinate points. To find out the coordinate points, there must be x and y also. There is only y. We have already learnt in the very first class that how to write equation in one variable in terms of two variables. Yes, you can tell that. It is y equal to 4x can be written as y equal to 0 into x plus 4. What is 0 into x? 0. 0 plus 4. 4 only. There will be no difference. Now using this, let's go for drawing the graph. Before that, first we have to find out the coordinate points. Observe it. So you may pause the video and copy up to here. Then after that, you can go on writing with me. Let's move on to calculation table. Here, what is first column? It is for x. Second column, this is y. Y is 0 into x. I'll write like this. It will be easy to understand. 0 into x plus 4. Then after that, coordinate points x comma y. Yes. Complete the table. Hope that you might have finished. Now let us go for calculation. Observe. X. When x is 0, y equal to 0 into, in place of x, we should write 0. Plus 4. 0 into 0, 0. 0 plus 4, 4. It is 0, comma 4. And to draw the line. Next, I'll go for taking one more. When x is 1, y equal to 0 into 1 plus 4. 0 ones are 0. 0 plus 4, 4. When x is 1, y is 4. Hope that you might have finished. Draw the line with scale and pencil. Go for one more. It is 2. When x is 2, y equal to 0 into 2 plus 4. 0 2s are 0 plus 4. Again 4. It is 2 comma 4. Now, complete the table. You may go for giving the names for these coordinate points. Yes, it is A, this is B, and this C. Over. Now, pausing the video, you have to draw x and y axis. After that, then let's go for locating these points. First, A. Observe it. A is 0, comma 4. 0, comma 4. X is 0, y is 4. This is A. Next, B. 1, comma 4. When x is 1, y is 4. Clear? This is A and this is B. Next, 2, comma 4. When x is 2, y is 4. That comes here. C. Now let us go for joining these points. Yes. You will get. Check that. What you will get? You will get a straight line. So this is the graph of y equal to 4. But what you can notice in that? Yes, this graph is with respect to x axis how it is? It is parallel to x axis. That means if y equal to constant is there, then this will be parallel to x axis. Clear? Please go for copying. And do remember, we have learned 3 important type of graphs. If y equal to mx plus c or ax plus by plus c equal to 0, then graph will be, of course it is straight line, but it will intersect x and y axis. If y equal to constant into x is there, it passes through the origin. If it is positive, it passes through first and third. If it is negative, y equal to negative constant into x, then passes through second and fourth. If y equal to constant, then it will be parallel to x axis. I will go for one more. And before that, you just complete it. Yes, do that. You might have completed. Then, for 9th one, it is just homework. Draw the graph of y equal to minus 3. This time, if it is y equal to minus 3, obviously it is parallel to x axis, but the line passes through this point. That is 0, comma minus 3. Okay, you can check that by drawing. Now I will go for one more. It is 10th one. The graph of x equal to 4. Yes, first you complete that. Dear students, observe it. This time I have taken x equal to constant. That is x equal to 2. How do you express this in 2 variables? You can write this as x equal to 0 into y plus 2. Here. Now let us draw the table. This time we are going to take the value for y, and after that we find out x. X equal to 0 into y plus 2. Observe. When y is 0, x equal to 0 into 0 plus 2. How much? It will be 2. Right? When y is 0, x is 2. This can be written as 2 comma 0. Clear? When y is 1, x equal to 0 into 1 plus 2. Again it is 2. You can write it is 2 comma 1. Next, when y is 2, x equal to 0 into 2 plus 2. Again it is 2. This will be when x is 2, y will be 2. it should be written in this order only, because we have learned that in the ordered pair it will be in the form of x comma y, which is universally accepted. Now you can mark these points as A, B and C. Now let us go for locating these points. Observe here. First A, 2 comma 0. It is on x-axis, 2 comma 0. Next 2 comma 1. When x is 2, y is 1. X is 2, y is 1. Here, please observe. Then 2 comma 2. When x is 2, y is 2. That is here. It is A, this is B and is C. For joining these points, you will get again a straight line. But this straight line is the graph of x equal to 2. Did you understand? Observe this line and compare with y-axis. What do you say? It is parallel to y-axis. Very simple. If x equal to constant, parallel to y-axis. Y equal to constant, parallel to x-axis. Now 10th one, it is for homework. You are going to draw the graph of x equal to minus 3. Minus 3. The x equal to constant is there, it is parallel to y-axis. Minus 3, that comes here. Clear? Yes. Please go for copying this. After that, 11th one, it is for homework. You do this one. Afterwards, I will give you some of the important conclusions. Most important conclusions. Yes, go for this. Yes, students, you might have done this, right? Now, what do you say about the graph? Graph is straight line, but how it is with respect to x or y axis? So, as it is x equal to constant, it will be parallel to y axis. Now, important conclusions. What are those? Please do remember, the graph of, you only will tell, first point, graph of y equal to mx plus c, it is nothing but ax plus by plus c equal to 0. It will be straight line, no doubt, but this straight line will intersect x and y axis. The graph of this equation intersect both x and y axis. This is a very important point. Another point, if y equal to constant into x or x equal to constant into y, then this graph passes through what? Origin. And another important point is, if y equal to just positive constant into x is there, it passes through, yes, what do you say? First and third quadrant, right? Here I'll write first and third quadrants. Next, another one. If y equal to negative constant into x, this passes through, yes, this is second and fourth quadrant, right? Second and fourth quadrants. Next, one more point. If y equal to constant, what do you say? Constant is parallel to x axis. One more. If x equal to constant, the constant may be positive or negative, that is secondary. It is parallel to y axis. Very simple. If x equal to constant, y equal to if x equal to constant, graph is parallel to y. If y equal to constant, graph is parallel to x axis. Clear? So these conclusions are very important even in the examination point of view. Now you'll go for pausing the video and please copy from here to here. Yeah, dear students, I think you might have copied. Yeah. Before concluding the class, again I am reminding you today what all the graphs we have learned, all are very important in the examination point of view. Please do practice them today itself. Particularly, you have to focus more on these conclusions with examples with respect to each. Clear? Yes. And tomorrow we are going to continue the same chapter. With this, let us stop the class. Thank you very much.